Okay, now that we have created our About page, let's create a Contact Us page. So, same thing. Go here, go to Page, go to New, go to Page. All right, it's going to load. It's loading. All right, now scroll down. And we're going to add another addition to our house. And remember, pages are displayed on the top. These are the most important pieces of information you want people to see just before they navigate throughout your website. So let's create a page. I'm going to call it Contact Us. Okay. And we're simply going to say, if you have any questions, please contact us at, this is where your email address will be. I have an email address that I've already created, and I'm going to show you that exactly how to do that through your web hosting, a professional customized email. Okay, so actually let's do that now. Okay, so let's say let's go to bluehost.com, and I'm gonna actually log in and show you exactly how to create and customize professional email. Now, if you don't have your web hosting, if you haven't went on ahead and got the web hosting, click on the yellow button below, and the yellow button will take you through, take you to the place where we have set up our web hosting and what we recommend. All right, logging in. This is the cPanel. I'm logging into the cPanel. So where do I find the email section? It's right here. Let me see if it's going to preload. It's going to reload again. Okay, let's scroll down where it says email. Okay, go to email manager. I'm gonna create a brand new email. I have several. Okay, what you do is you go to email, then go to create an email account. Okay, I'm going to put in find me at, I have several, like I told you before, webhostingthrone.com. So it's find me at webhostingthrone.com. I'm going to put in a password. Okay, you can also generate a password for yourself. Okay, you can generate a password. It'll be a passable password. If you can't think of anything, just make sure that you remember your password so you can log into your email account. Okay, my default webmail will be Roundcube. You have the choice between Horde, Roundcube, or Squirrel Mail. I'm going to go with Roundcube. Okay, scroll down, and I use unlimited mailbox size, and now I'm going to create. Okay, I'm going to create, press create. All right, now I have officially, let's see here, I have officially created another email account. It says find me at Web Hosting Throne. So now I'm going to check, I'm going to view my details. Let me see, I'm going to view my inbox. I'm sorry, view inbox. And remember, just like I told you, remember your password, okay? Whenever you log into your email, your paid email, your web hosting email, keep that password in mind. Okay, go to Roundcube, and it's gonna come up with my email. What do I have in my email box? I have nothing. I'm just showing you that your account will support an email account. This is no different from the Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or MSN, or Hotmail, whatever it is that you use for email carrier to have for your checking emails. Okay, but having a paid email that you can customize, you can do more. You won't be scrutinized so much because you're paying for an email account. This is very special to have with your web hosting. Okay, you can create several email accounts. I have contact at Web Hosting Throne, and now I have find me at webhostingthrone.com. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm able to tell it right here. Just let them know that that's where they can contact me at. Okay, you can also create a contact form, which I'm going to show you in just a second. But now we have a mailbox for our house. Now it's like a mailbox. It's like a house has a mailbox that receives mail and send back out mail. You have the same thing with your website. Your website is like your house. Okay, you have your address as your website, and you have your WordPress website, your WordPress blog as your house, and now you have a mailbox attached to it. Congratulations. Okay, so it's find me at webhostingthrone.com. Okay, so if you have any questions about our services, please contact us at findme@webhostingthrone.com. Okay, I'm going to publish this, and it could be as simply as that. We're going to add a contact box really quick here. Let's see. Let's add a contact box. Okay, plugins. Go to plugins, add new. Okay, let's search for contact form. Let's see what kind of contact forms they have for free. Okay, let's go with contact 7. Okay, let's install now. Contact form 7. Contact form 7. All right, let's activate it. Okay, now let's scroll down to let's see where our form is, so we can be able to WP forms. Let me see here, contact forms settings. Okay, here goes the form. Okay, let's press edit. All right, we're gonna roll down here, and we're going to put in, let's say, mail. Go to mail, and we're going to replace it with find me at webhostingthrone.com. So all your mail will be forwarded to Web Hosting Throne. Find me at webhostingthrone.com. Okay, see the form. Okay, and now we're going to save. Okay, now let's see here. We're going to copy this right here. Go ahead and copy this piece right here, this line of code. You can find this also. Let me see. Contact forms. You can find this piece of code right here. Okay, just simply highlight it, copy it, and then place it. You want to place it in your you want to place the form in the page that you just created. Let's see here. Let's go to all pages, and we're going to go to where it says contact us. Let's edit this page again. Okay, instead of having this right here, contact us using the form below, something of that nature. All right, and simply paste and update. You're going to see how it looks. Okay, let's go to contact us. Let's see how it looks. Okay, and there it goes. Your name, your email, your subject, and your message. Okay, you want to try it out? Let's try it out. Okay, I'm going to say Jermaine email, Jermaine articles@gmail.com. Hi, this is just a test to me. Test forwarding to, all right. We're going to press send. Let's see what happens. Thank you for your message. It has been sent. Now let's go back to me. Let's check your mail. Let's go to view inbox and see how this works. If this has worked well, it will prove all things. Let's see. Go to remember your email. I just emailed myself. Let's see how well this works. Voila. It works. This is just a test forwarding to you. So there you have it. That is how it works. The email, get that form. Okay. First, you need the web hosting. Go and get that web hosting. Press that button on the below button, the yellow button, and get this web hosting. Once you've purchased this web hosting, the Plus package, then you can customize your email. Start your website, customize your email. Okay, and that is how that works.